just had tuna and cucumber sa brunch ko, and like 150 plus calories lang yun. So, babawiin ko siya ngayon. Ah, yummy! So guys, check out my YouTube channel because I've been active recently. So I just uploaded like, how many videos ba? 6, 7 videos in just 1 week? Can you believe that? Ganyan ako ka-active sa YouTube ngayon. So you must follow my YouTube channel and don't miss my new videos. Thank you for the stars! Chutai! And kahit hindi kayo magbigay ng stars, it's still fine. Kasi support niyo lang, okay na yun sa akin. It keeps me going to make new more photos, videos, doing live. But stars din, hindi na tinaayawan yan. I still love stars. But I love you all guys. So excited for my fried rice. I love fried rice a lot. Thank you, Jen Neki, for the 150 stars. Never absent when sending stars every time I go live. Thank you. So excited talaga. Hindi mawala sa isip ko yung binili ko ngayon. Kasi ang mahal. Sobrang mahal. Good luck. But I'm sure naman na hindi ako magsisisi kasi the old version that I bought last time, it lasted me for 3 years more. I love the color. Sana malapit na yung food ko. So, I'm gonna be having another trip this week. So, yeah, magiging busy na naman ako kasi sa beach trip ko. For 3 days lang naman. I mean, 4 days and 3 nights. And I'm so excited. Hulaan nyo kung saan ako pupunta. Saan kaya? Barato ra na. Okay, barato ra nimo ang 38K. Oh, thank you. Look at that. Smells good. Bye guys, I'm gonna eat.